How to deposit money in TD Bank ATM. Now, there's no need for you to log in to your username and password. All you have to do is just to remember your 4-digit PIN code if you will insert an ATM to any ATM machine. Now, the reason why we're looking at this online website right now from the TD Bank's official website is to look for the nearest TD Bank ATM machine on your area. So all you have to do first before you go into a physical ATM machine is just to go ahead and check for TD Bank site map for you to be able to go to directly to the nearest one possible. Now, it's very simple. All you have to do is just insert your ATM card on the ATM machine, enter your 4-digit code, and then choose on deposit. And then after that, you should choose on what account should you go ahead and deposit the money. If it's gonna be your checking account or your savings account. Now, once you're done choosing that, you enter the amount, and then once everything is successful, now that's how you can deposit money from a TD Bank ATM machine.